Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. With Aweber, tagging subscribers in your email campaign helps you organize your subscribers based on actions they take or where they are in an automated email sequence. First, when you're in your email campaign, you can add a tag to any particular email. So for example, let's click this one. And for this email, it's lesson 2 in our mini course. We're going to click Add Automation. We can choose from either opening this message or clicking a link that will trigger this automation. We're going to do it for opening this message. And then we can either add or remove a tag or remove somebody from this campaign. But this is about adding tags, so we'll add a tag, completed lesson 2. So now we can take this tag and segment our list based on this particular tag, and maybe send to people who have just completed lesson 2. You'll see there's that automations label so we can tell which emails have automations added to them, and then we can always edit those automations over here on the right. Now we can also add tags in the middle of the sequence, not necessarily associated with a particular email. For example, let's add one that happens right before lesson 4. So we'll drag apply a tag over, and then we'll apply the tag before lesson 4 or 5. Maybe we want to get an announcement out to people just as they're wrapping up our mini course. Now one other thing we can do, we can add one more tag at the very end of this sequence, so that anybody who finishes this entire series gets tagged with completed course. So again, we can use these tags to do a bunch of different things. In this case, we can trigger a new campaign based on a tag, completed course. So we can automatically have somebody go through that mini course and then start a brand new campaign for those who completed it. We can also search and segment our list based on those tags. So again, if we wanted to send an email to people right as they're wrapping up the mini course, but before the 4th and 5th lesson, we can do that easily. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.